In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in Google Drive. Whether you're looking to share documents with colleagues, friends, or family, creating a shareable link is an essential skill that can save you time and streamline collaboration. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. If you're on your computer, simply open your preferred web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar. Make sure you are logged into the Google account, which holds the files you want to share. Once you've done that, you'll see your Google Drive homepage, displaying all your folders and files. Next, identify the specific file or folder you intend to share. Scroll through your list of files or use the search bar at the top if you have a large number of files. Once you find your file or folder, right-click on it, which will bring up a context menu. From this menu, select the option that says Get Link. This selection will open a dialog that allows you to manage link sharing options. Now, it's time to adjust the sharing settings. In the pop-up window, you'll notice several settings for link sharing. By default, the link might only be accessible by you or a specific group of people if that's how you've previously shared it. To change this, click on the drop-down arrow next to Restricted or Only People Added and choose anyone with the link. This opens up your file or folder to be viewable by anyone who has the direct link, making it easily accessible without logging in or requesting access. There's more you can do here. Before finalizing, check the permissions. Look for the access level settings, typically right below where you selected anyone with the link. Select either Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on the action you want others to be able to take with your file. For instance, if the recipients only need to read the document without making changes, choose Viewer. If collaboration or feedback is needed, the Editor or Commenter options would be more appropriate. Once you've set the permissions that align with your sharing intent, click on Copy Link. This action will automatically copy the shareable link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever needed. Paste it into an email, a chat message, or any other medium you're using to communicate with your intended recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a shareable link in Google Drive. These steps are straightforward, yet powerful in enhancing how you collaborate digitally. Remember, managing permissions effectively ensures your documents are used as intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one.